Children, welcome to online classes. Now I am going to teach problems in matrices and determinants. Before I discuss the complete synopsis of this topic, now we can start solving problems. Let us take first question. A and B are symmetric matrices of order n. Then which of the following is correct? So now A is symmetric means A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. So now the first option A plus B symmetric or not. That means if you want to check the A plus B is symmetric or symmetric, first apply transpose for that one. That means A plus B whole transpose. Nothing but A transpose plus B transpose. But here A transpose A, B transpose is B. That means A plus B whole transpose equal to A plus B. Then what you can call A plus B is symmetric matrix. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. I hope clear this one. Next, check the option B correct. Now this is direct question. A square, you have to multiply A square equal to A into A. A is 3 1 minus 1 2, so 3 1 minus 1 2. If you multiply means multiplication row with column. So 9 minus 1, 3 plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 4. So finally got it 8 5 minus 5 plus 3. Check which option is matching. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is only D option D correct. So I hope clear this one. This is very simple question, just normal multiplication only. Check the answer. Option D correct. The next question. A equal to 4x plus 2, 2x minus 3x plus 1 symmetric matrix. So then what is the value of x? So basically we have property A is symmetric. This implies Aij equal to Aji. Means these elements are equal. So it means 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. So other diagonal elements are equal. So now I can solve for x. X equal to 2 plus 3. That gives 5. So 2x minus x equal to 3 plus 2. X equal to what? 5. Clear this one? The matrix, if 2 by 2 matrix symmetric matrix means other diagonal elements must be equal. So now you can equate the other diagonal elements, you get the value of x only. Clear? Check the answer. Be correct. Next question. The value of determinant of matrix is they're asking. So let us take in this one, this is x is, in all the terms x is there. Just assume x equal to 0. Just convenient only can take. Now 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, 10, 14. You just find the value of determinant, directly you can get it. So now 1 into, so 70 minus 80. Next minus 2 into, so 42 minus 56 plus 4 into plus minus plus, everyone. So this is 30 minus 35. You can go for simplification. Minus 10, 2 into minus 14 plus 4 into minus 5. That gives minus 10 plus 28 minus 20. So minus 30 plus 28 minus 2. So minus 2 comes in only one option. I hope clear. Let x equal 0. This is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 4. So that means x is become 0 means the first row is 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, 10, 14. And expand determinant, you get the answer directly. You get x equal 0 in the options. Here 0 plus 2 comes. Here answer you got minus 2. The only choice is option A. Check the answer. A is the right answer. Next question. The value of determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. So you want to learn some more standard determinants here. I will explain. Yes, I'll give some standard determinants. You just remember these formulas. This is very time-saving results. So 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. This value determinant, remember as A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Next 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, sorry, A cube, B cube, C cube. This value you can remember as A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. Next, 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube as A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA. Thus, three standard determinants 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube as A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. So 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into AB plus BC plus C. So normally solving, you can apply determinant properties, you can solve it. It is a long process. So now you can remember some standard things. So now we can remember these three as a standard formulas. So that means A square, B square, C square is A minus B, B minus C minus. A cube, B cube, C cube means A minus B, B minus C, C minus A common into A plus B plus C. Now second row is square, third row is cube, then A minus B, B minus C, C minus AB plus BC plus C. So these three you can remember. Now based on this, which option is matching with this? So here 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is given. So now the answer, which one you can take it as? Option B only correct answer. This value equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C is the right answer. You have clear this one? That is. If you want to correct once again, 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. The value is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube. This answer is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, AB plus BC plus CA. Now 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube as A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. So now the question is this option. So now take the answer A minus B, B minus C minus A into A plus B plus C. So check the answer, option D. Next question. So now the same logic, 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. So that is 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4 square, 3 square, 2 square. So what is the answer for this one? I gave formula A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. What is the formula? A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. So now here A minus B, 4 minus 3, B minus C, 3 minus 2 and C minus A, 2 minus 4. So use A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Now 1 into minus 2. The final answer is minus 2. Which option correct? Option B is 2. I hope you are now. Here A, B, C. A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. You can use this formula to get the answer directly without expanding. If you want, you can expand also, you will get same answer. Option B is correct. Next question. So here P, Q minus Y, R minus Z, P minus X, Q, R minus Z, P minus X, Q minus Y, R equal 0. Determined. Then what is the value of P by X, Q by Y and R by Z we required here. So I have clear this one. So let us start in the next page because this is a little long question. P, Q minus Y, R minus Z, P minus X, Q, R minus Z, P minus X, Q minus Y, R equal 0. So what you can do, it means R2, you can use properties. R2 as R2 minus R1. So now R3 as R3 minus R2. If you apply these properties, what is gives? R2 minus R1. R1 is remains same. So means P minus X minus P. P cancel, you get minus X. So next Q minus Q cancel Y. Now 0. Next 0. Here Q cancel, you get minus Y. Next R cancel plus Z. So now you can expand normal expansion. So this gives P into YZ, Q minus Y into minus xz plus r minus z into xy minus 0 equal to 0. Now we can multiply entire thing. So that means pyz minus minus plus qxz minus minus plus minus xyz, do it slowly, plus rxy minus xyz equal to 0. So now pyz plus qxz plus rxy equal to minus xyz plus minus 2xyz, bring it right side to xyz. So divide by xyz both the sides, means p by x plus q by y plus r by z equal to 2. You can divide by xyz both the sides to get the value of p by x plus q by y plus r by z equal to 2. 2 is the answer for this question. I hope clear? This is a calculation, but this is also good question. Check the answer. Option A is correct. Next, question number 8. So delta equal to 1 by A, 1 BC, 1 by B, 1 CA, 1 by C, 1 AB. Then what is the value of determinant? So what you can do means, so here I multiply R1 as AR1, R2 as BR2, and R3 as CR3. If I multiply this one, what will happen? Here the first row, when you multiply with any number, you must divide 1 by A into 1 by B into 1 by C. So I multiply first with A means you can divide by A. If you multiply by B means you can divide by B. If you multiply by C means you can divide by C. If I multiply first row by A, 1 A, A, B, C, 1 B, A, B, C, 1 C, A, B, C. So now finally got 1 by ABC into, what is common the last row? Last row you can take out common ABC from R3. So sorry, C3, you will get ABC outside. From C3 you can take ABC common. So take out common ABC from third column. So ABC outside 1, 1, 1, ABC 1, 1, 1. So that means the value of determinant is 0 because of two columns are identical. So that means 1 into 0, that value gives 0 only. So these two cancel. These two columns are equal. The value of determinant is 0. According to property of determinants, two rows or two columns are equal. The value of determinant is 0 only. So what I did here? First, I multiply R1 by A. If you multiply by A, you must divide by A. Multiply by B means divide by B. So multiply by C means divide by C. After that, we got A by A 1, A, ABC. B by B 1, B, ABC. C by C 1, C, ABC. So now ABC take common factor from C3 row, C3 column. So now we can get the value of determinant. I hope clear this one. So check the answer. Answer is 0. Now this question, the value of determinants. Look at the terms in this determinant 5, 7, 8, 15, 21, 24, minus 25, 30, 42 is given. The question is given, big numbers are there. It can be take common factor from any one row or column something to get simplest form. So suppose you can observe the second column, I took common 3. If you take 3 common, 3 into 5, 15. So 3 into 7, 3 into 8. That means take out common 3 from C2. If you take common 3 common, 5, 7, first column same. Second column 5, 7, 8, minus 25, 30, 42. So what is value of determinant? 0 because these two are same. That means 0. Here C1 equal to C2. The value of determinant is 0. So that is the answer here. So take out common 3 from C2 and take the delta value. So now get the answer. I hope clear this one. Next question. Here XPQ, PXQ, PQX is given. So you have to simplify the determinant. So to solve this question, observe the terms, options. X minus P minus Q, X plus Q is there. X minus Q, X minus Q, X P plus Q is there. X plus P, X plus Q, X x p plus q is there, x minus q, x minus q, x minus p minus q is there. That means you have to add or subtract something from this one. So I'll solve the question in the next page. The determinant is x pq, p xq, p qx. The symmetry matrix, first I will take C1 as C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if you add the columns, keep replace in first column because you need some speed required. P, Q, X, Q, Q, X. Now X plus P plus Q common from the first column. 1, 1, 1, P, X, Q, 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 X, you got it. If any row or column contains 3 ones are there, make sure that 2 zeros. So I will take R2 as R2 minus R1 and R3 as R3 minus R2. Now this value x plus p plus q, you got it. So I make these two positions 0. Here 0 I make 0 here. Means subtract these two, subtract these two. So our first column is, first row is same. The second row is 1 minus 1 0, x minus p, q minus q 0. This is 1 minus 1 0. So next is what you get, q minus x, x minus q. Clear this one? Now you can solve the question. So let us solve x plus p plus q. Expand this one. 1 into what comes? X minus p, x minus q. Next p into the value 0, q into value 0. The remaining portions are 0. Means x plus p plus q, x minus p, x minus q is the answer. So when you take other points, if you take 1, x minus p, x minus q minus 0. Other points p means 0, q means 0. So the answer will be x plus p plus q, x minus p, x minus q. Look at the options. Which option is matching with this one? X minus p, x minus q, x plus p plus q. So option B is the right answer. Clear this one? So be careful. First add the C1 with C1 plus C2 plus C3. The first question is x plus p plus q. You can take common. Once you take common, you will get 3 ones in the first column. Make it 2 positions as 0. Then expand it to get the answer directly. So next question. Find the value of x if this value is determinant 0. Directly can solve this one. Expand determinant. Minus x into x square minus 1. Minus 1 into my plus minus plus. Then you have last position 0. Not solve that one. So 1 into 1 minus 0 equal 0. Sorry, for 1 minus x. So for 1 minus x, 0. The last term obvious 0 only. Now multiply. Minus x cube plus x equal 0. So 2x equal to x cube. 1x cancel. So that means x square equal to 2. That implies x equal to plus or minus root 2. For minus x into x square minus 1. For minus 1 into minus x minus 0. And simplify to get the answer. X equal what? Plus or minus root 2. The next question. Check the answer. Answer B is correct. So x equal to minus 9 is the root of the equation x 3 9 3 7 2 x 2 7 c x equal to 0. Then the other roots of the equation. So here also you can observe the column and row. If you add columns, x plus 10 comes. So x plus 4 comes. So that is there is no common term is obtaining by adding the columns. If you add the rows, R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. What do you get here? If I take R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3, what happened? X plus 9, X plus 9, X plus 9, we'll get the first row. So that means the first row becomes X plus 9. So all the positions X plus 9, X plus 9, X plus 9 comes here. So that's the first logic, find the question. So I will teach the question in the next page. What the question is given? X 3 7 2 x 2 7, 6, x equal to 0. What I am doing? R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. The first row become x plus 9 and take out common x plus 9. I have taken direct step. So I take x plus 9, x plus 9, x take out common. Means 1, 1, 1, 2, x2, 7, 6, x equal to 0. So x plus already factor. Now other things, if any, I told before question, if any row or column contains 3 ones are there, make sure that 2 zeros. So now I want to make this is 0 and this is 0. That means you can take C2 as C2 minus C1 and C3 as C3 minus C1. Then what will happen? The first column same, 1 minus 1 0, you get x minus 2. Now 6 minus 7 minus 1. So C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 and x minus 7. So now, so this is also 0. So now this is called lower triangular matrix. So this is upper triangular matrix. So value of determinant is product of the diagonal elements. This is x plus 9 into x minus 2 into x minus 9 equal 0. The roots are minus 9, 2 and 7. So that means first thing R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. The first row become x plus 9. I took x plus 9 common directly. So 1, 1, 1. Make two positions 0. C1 as C2 as C2 minus C1 and C3 as C3 minus C1. So that means what comes here? First column same. 1 minus 1 0, x minus 2, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0, next 2 minus 2 0, x minus 7. If it is that what triangle matrix? Upper triangle matrix. If the upper triangle matrix or lower triangle matrix, the value of determinant is product of the diagonal elements. 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 7. The final factor is x plus 9, x minus 2, x minus 7. The answer will be x equal to what? Minus 9, 2, 7. So already they are given one root is minus 7, minus 9. Other two roots are 2 and 7. So look at the option D is the right answer. I hope clear this one. Next question. The value of determinant b plus c, a, b, c plus a, b, c, c, a plus b. So in this question, sometimes you want answers in terms of a, b, c. The question is in terms of a, b, c is given. Choose a equal to b equal to c some numbers. So for convenience, a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, you can assume. The value of determinant is a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Find the value of determinant. So and verify from options also. 2 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 into, so 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2. Simplify this one. So 2 into 3, 6 minus 1 minus 1. 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 is the answer. So which option is giving 4? First option 0. Now second option 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 is wrong. 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4. This is again. Now fourth option 1, 1, 1, this gives 1 only. This is not answer. So only option C is matching with the values of A, B, C equal to 1. So that is sometimes time saving result when you are solving the questions in determinant particularly. So I hope clear this one. Next question. Check the answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question. 14th one. Yes, children, in this question, ABC are respectively T5, T6, T7 of GP, then the value of determinant 1, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, log A, log B, log C. So in the AP, in the GP, nth term we have formula A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. So but you don't take A here. You can take differently. Now you can choose Tn as x into y power n minus 1 because already they are given A is here. This is general formula in GP nth term. So now I choose Tn equal to A into x power y minus 1. So they are given here A equal to T5 means A equal to T5 means x y power 4 and B equal to T power T6, that is x y power 5. Now C is T7 x y power 6. The value of A, B, C values get in terms of the general term. Later you can solve the question. So I hope here this one, the first job, this one. I will explain the next page properly. So A is xy power 4, B is xy power 5, C is xy power 6. So now we can take log A. Log A is log x plus log y power 4. So that means this is nothing but log x plus 4 log y using properties of logarithms. Log b equal to same thing, log x plus 5 log y. Log c equal to log x plus 6 log y. So what I will do means here you can find this value log b minus log a. What is log b minus log a? Subtract these two. What come? Log x cancel. 5 log y minus 4 log y is log y. And log c minus log b also calculate. These two subtract. So that is log x cancel. 6 log y minus 5 log y is log y. So all these values keep in mind. You can solve the question. What the question is given? 1, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, log a, log b, log c. So what I will do means C2 as C2 minus C1. C3 as C3 minus C2. What I am taking? C2 as C2 minus C1, C3 as C3 minus C2. Why I am solving? You will get idea this one. So the first column is same. Now here 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, log b minus log a. Log b minus log a, what is the value of log b minus log a? Log y. Next. So next one 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 6 1, log c minus log b. Log c minus log b is what? Log y. So observe this one, these two are same. If these two values are same, the value of determinant is 0. Since C2 equal to C3. I hope understand this question. So A equal to x into y power 4, B into x into y power 5, C into x into y power 6. What I am taking? Tn as x into y power n minus 1. So they are given A as T5, B as T6, C as T7. Take the values and apply log for the first one. Log A equal to log of x into y power 4, log x plus log y power 4, log x plus 4 log y, log b log c. First you can subtract. Why I am subtracting? The question log a log b is there. If you subtract two columns, you will get log a minus log b. I find out first one that values and substitute here to get the answer. Clear? It's a little long only, but it's easy and important question. If any question which is related to AP, GP problems, maximum determinants, answer will give 0 only. Keep in mind. That is some shortcut way. Check the answer. Option B is right. Next, 5 is the root of an equation, then other two roots of equation. Just before we did the same model question, here 5 is the root of equation, other two roots. So that means you have to apply condition. So what I will do means here, if you add rows, what comes? X plus 10 will come. Here x will come, x plus 15 will come. It doesn't work. So what I will do means the first step R1 as R1 plus R2 minus R3 I will take it. If you add these to x plus 2 minus 7 means x minus 5. Here 3 plus x minus 8 will get x plus 3 minus 8 means x minus 5. We'll get x minus 5 in each position. So that means when you apply this property, the first row is x minus 5, x minus 5 here, 7 minus 2 minus x means 5 minus x comes here over here. That means here 5 minus x. Next same. I hope you get this one. X minus 5, x minus 5, 5 minus x, 2x minus 2, 7, 8x. So I will solve the remaining part in the next page. It is connected. I hope you understand this step. Now what comes here? X minus 5, x minus 5, 5 minus x. The remaining two rows are same. So here the first row x minus 5 common. If you take x minus 5 common, 1, 1, minus 1, 2x minus 2, 7, 8x equal to 0. So now we can apply one property. Is it possible to get anything? So I will take C2 as C2 minus C1 and C3 as C3 plus C1. So is there any benefit to get x minus 5? So what comes? 1, 2, 7. Now 1 minus C2 minus C1, 0, x minus 2, 8 minus 7 is 1. Now C3 or C3 plus C1. Add these two, 0, 0, x plus 7 equal 0. So this is called what? Upper triangular matrix. The value of determinant will give product of the diagonal elements. That means the final answer is x minus 5 into 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 7 equal to 0. The roots are 5 plus 2 and minus 7. The roots are 5 plus 2 minus 7. 5 already root. The remaining roots are 2 and minus 7. The remaining roots are 2 and minus 7. Check the answer. 2 and minus 7. Which option? Option D matching. Option D is matching. I hope you get this one. So next one, a equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 and a power n equal to 2 power k into k. Then what is the value of k? So just check it here. Here k is not 2 power n minus 1. This is ruled out. Only choice these two only options will come here. So this is 2 power n minus 1. It is not possible to get, and only choice is to get 2 power something will get here. So the something we can calculate. First we can take a square. So a square means a into a. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. And what comes? Multiply 4 plus 4 8 minus 4 minus 8. So next minus 2 minus 8 and 2 4 plus 4 8. So what I will write in terms of a, right? Here take 4 common. If you have 4 common, now hold it. So you got a square equal to 4 into what? 4a. That means you can go for this course, this one, you can compare with this. So a square n equal to 4 into what? A. That means 2 power k equal to 4. K must be 2 only here. So go to options. Which option gives k equal to by taking n equal to? But what I did, a square means n equal to 2 I substitute here. So option A already ruled out. Option B, 2 into 2 minus 1. That gives 2. What is k value? 2. That is matching. So next go for third option. N is 2, not 2 plus 1 what? 3. So that is not correct answer. So option D, 2 minus 1 1. That is not matching. So you can go for verification. First I took n equal to a square. A square means n equal to. So I took 4 common right in terms of a. That means a square equal to 4a. And compare with this one, 2 power k equal to. So that means 4 means 2 square. K value 2. So that means k value 2. Which option gives 2? That one final answer. By substituting n equal to what? 2. Substitute n equal to in the first option. First option ruled out, don't take. And second, third, fourth option can substitute. The option is matching with this one. Therefore, k is 2 into n minus 1. This is a question which is given in the previous KSET exam. Go for verification. It becomes very simple to get answer. Next question. Check the answer. Option B is right. So next question. So the value of determinant is a perfect square or perfect cube or 0 or none of this. So that means this is a question which is a little tricky question. So here you have to check it, but you have to apply row and column operations. If you add columns, no use, nothing will be cancelled. So if you add rows, here a minus b minus c plus 2b, a plus b. Here a plus, if you add this one, minus 2c plus 2c, that gives a plus b plus c. So that means what I can do means r1 as r1 plus r2 plus r3. Then the first row become a plus b plus c. What it become? First row become a plus b plus c. This idea you could get in the solving problem. In PU you can have stepwise, but in objective you can take direct steps. I hope you have this one. So I will do the next page. You can easily understand this question. The first row is a plus b plus c. I will take directly common. So I will take directly the second step. After applying the first row become a plus b plus c, you can take common 1 1 1. Next second row is 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b. Next 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. So once I will check it, After that, 2b minus b minus c, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Clear now. Once you get this one, what I will do, you can make it as two zeros in 3 1 position. C2 as C2 minus C1, C3 as C3 minus C2. Sorry, C1 you can take, better, easy to get answer. C A plus B plus C into 1, 2b, 0. If you subtract this to this minus this, so b minus c minus a minus b, that is minus of a plus b plus c. Next, this is 2c, this is 2c, 0. 2b minus 2b, 0. This minus this again, minus of a plus b plus c. So this is called upper triangular matrix. So the value of determinant is product of the diagonal elements. That is a plus b plus c into product means what? So if you multiply this one, minus minus plus a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c the whole square. The final answer is a plus b plus c the whole cube. So that means what is the answer here? The perfect cube. The value of determinant is perfect cube. Check the answer which is matching with this. Perfect square, not perfect cube. This is the only answer. So the value of this one, what you get? A plus b plus c the whole cube. So you can say it is a perfect cube. Next one. So the value of square of the determinant, just normal multiplication you can do it, will get the answer for this one. 0c b c 0 a b a 0 into if you multiply row with column, what? 0 plus c square plus b square means b square plus c square. So b square plus c square, which option is there? Only option B. That is only answer. If you want to check the other options also, you can take it. 0 into c, 0, 0, AB. We'll get AB. Next, this one with this one, 0, CA. Next is B into 0, 0. That is first row. Second row with first column, 0, 0, AB. Next, second row with second column, C square. Next, 0 a into a square. Next, BC 0 0 BC. Next, 0 AC. Next, 0. Now 0 ABC. Next, 0 into a 0, 0 into a 0. Now B square plus A square. So that which is option matching? Only B option is matching. So other options won't get B square, C square. Only choice is this one only. So 18 answer is B. Clear? Just normal multiplication you can do it. So you'll get the answer which is B. Next, adjoint of a matrix. To find adjoint of matrix, what is adjoint of matrix? Transpose of cofactor matrix. Adjoint transpose of cofactor matrix. So that means you can take the cofactors of each element and find the transpose to get the adjoint of a matrix. So I will explain the next page. It is convenient for you. So I'll do next page. Sorry. A is 1 0 0 5 2 0 minus 1 6 1 is a matrix which is given. So adjoint A, you can take each one cofactor and take the transpose. So plus, you can write this one like this. You know this method how to find the transpose of a matrix. Each element cofactor you can calculate. Each element cofactor you can calculate. So I want one cofactor means remove the row and column containing that element. That means what comes? 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. That gives 2. I want 0 cofactor means 0 cofactor means row and column remove this one. So 5 minus 0. It is 5. Next for last one, 0 means 30 minus of minus 2, 32. 32. Next for 5, the second row, first element. So means for that one cofactor means remove the row and column containing that number. So that is 0 minus 0. That gives 0. Now for 2, middle 2, that means what comes for middle 2, remove the column and row. That means we'll get 1 minus 0, 1. Now last for 0, we can take row and column. So that means this one remove. 6 minus 0, this is 6. I hope this one. Next, for last row elements -1, 0 minus 0, this is give 0. Now for 6, this one you can delete. 0 minus 0, that gives 0. Next, for 1 last, 2 minus 0, 2. So that means finally we got as 2 minus 5, 32, 0, 1 minus 6, 0, 0, 2 whole transpose you can take. If you take transpose of this one, what you get here? 2 minus 5, 32, 0, 1 minus 6, 0, 0, 2. That is the answer here. So check the options. The first row is 2, 0, 0, minus 5, 1, 0, 32 minus 6, 2. So this is the answer for the required. So check the which option is matching with this one. 2, 0, 0, minus 5, 1, 0, 32 minus 6, 2. So only B option is matching. So transpose of the perfect matrix. B option is matching with this one. So option B is correct. Now inverse of a matrix. How to find inverse of a matrix means 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A. Suppose this is taken as A. So what is det A? Det A is 5 minus 6. That is minus 1. So what is adjoint A? Adjoint A means you can interchange these two and take the opposite signs of other two. So means adjoint A is what? 1 minus 2 minus 3, 5. So therefore A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. This is a formula. 1 by minus 1 into adjoint A is 1 minus 2 minus 3, 5. If you multiply with this, what comes? Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and minus 5. Which option is matching with this one? Minus 1, 2, 3 and minus 5. Option C is matching. Clear now? Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 5. Option C is matching with this one. So I hope clear now. First, what is the formula for A inverse? 1 by det A into adjoint A. Det A is 5 minus 6. Now take adjoint of matrix, these two interchange. And other two has take opposite signs. So that is minus 2 and minus 3 and write the answer for this one. Check the answer, correct or wrong? C is the right answer. So the matrix is singular matrix. What is the definition of singular? A is singular matrix means det A equal to 0. So here det equal to 0. What? Det equal to 0. 2, 3, 5, 1, A, 2, 0, 1, minus 1 equal to 0 to get the answer for this one. That you can expand. 2 into minus A minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 0 plus 5 into 1 equal to 0. You can simplify to get the answer for this one. So I'll write here minus 2A minus 4 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. So this is minus 2A plus 4 equal to 0. 2A equal to 4, A equal to 2 is the answer. So which option is matching? Option C is matching. So A singular means det equal 0. Take determinant equal and solve it to get the value of A only. I hope clear this one. That is the answer for 21 question. Option C is right. Next 22. The system of equations has how many solutions? Only one solution, infinitely many solutions, no solution, infinitely many solutions, finitely many solutions. The options are given. So observe the two lines. This is two-dimensional. If the lines are parallel, so they are not intersecting. So how to say parallel? So lines are parallel lines. This is two-dimensional, parallel. In the parallel planes also, what? No solution will come here. So lines are parallel or not, you can check it here. The ratio you can take A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. That means this is a condition for parallel. The lines are parallel means they never be intersect, no solution for this one. Here A1 by A2 means 1 by minus 2 equal to 2 by minus 4. Both are same or not? Minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. That means they are parallel lines. The lines are parallel means they should not be intersect. They should not be intersect. In this case, no solution. The same concept can apply for planes also. If two planes are parallel, they are not intersect. The solution is no solution. You can take it. I hope you hear this one. That is the concept of solving this question. Next question. Check the answer. So answer C, no solution. So A square matrix of order 4, then det of 3A. So this is another most important property. A is n by n matrix. What is the formula? Det of Ka is k power n into det A. What is the property? So A is n by n matrix. Det of K is k power n det A. Here what type matrix order? Fourth order. That means here K is 3. So det of 3A equal to 3 power 4 into det A. 3 power 4 is what? 81 det A is the answer. So what is the formula for det of K is k power n det A, because n is the order of a matrix. Here order is 4. Here n equal what? 4. N equal to 4 and k equal to 3. So use this formula to get the value of the required answer. This is model is they are asking every year, they are asking one question in this model. Next question, option B is correct. The system of equations has how many solutions? Same logic can apply from previous one. So this one is given. If you observe in these two, is there any identical properties there? Here 5 by 15 equal to 2 by 6 equal to minus 3 by minus 10. Is there any valid? 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. That means these two are parallel. They never be intersect. In this case, no solution. If two equations you can take it, they are identical, means what? It has no solution. You can take answer is what? No solution. Observe here 5 by 15, 2 by 6, minus 3 by minus. If the chance is there to get, so if that is a possibility is there, in this case, the system has no solution. Clear? Next one. Check the answer. Option C is the right answer. Same what you did from previous question. The value of lambda for the system of equation does not have a solution. The system of equation does not have a solution means that equal to 0. So that equal what? 0. So that means what is the determinant of the matrix here? I will solve here. 1, 1, 1, 4, lambda, minus lambda, 3, 2, minus 4 equal to 0. You can expand directly, you will get the answer for this one. That 0 means first 1 into minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda, 1 into minus 16 plus 3 lambda, plus 1 into 8 minus 3 lambda. You can simplify. So minus 2 lambda plus 16 minus 3 lambda plus 8 minus 3 lambda equal 0. So minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 6 lambda, that is minus 8 lambda plus 24 equal to 0. That means 8 lambda equal to 24. So lambda equal to 3. 8 ones, 8 threes. Lambda equal to 3. Which option is matching? First option is matching. For solving directly, the system has no solution means does not have solution means that must be 0 1. If that 0 means you can solve the determinant of matrix. So to get the answer for this one. Check the answer. Option A is correct. The next question. If three linear equations have non-trivial solution. Non-trivial means same thing, that equal to 0. 1, 4a, a, 1, 3b, b, 1, 2c, c equal to 0. And find the determinant to get the answer for this one. I will solve this question in the next page because little calculation which is required for this question. So that means 1, 4a, 1, 3b, b, 1, 2c, c equal to 0. Now expand determinant. 1 into 3bc minus 2bc. So minus 4a into c minus b plus a into 2c minus 3b equal to 0. So 3bc minus 2bc, bc minus 4ac plus 4ab plus 2ac minus 3ab equal to 0. So grouping the terms. So here only one BC is there. Here only one BC. So BC plus AB terms. 4AB minus 3AB, that is 2AB. So minus 4AC plus 2AC is minus 2AC equal to, sorry, plus AB. 4AB minus 3AB is AB. Now BC plus AB equal to 2AC. So you can divide both sides by ABC. You can divide by ABC. So that means what comes? BC by ABC. Now AB by ABC. 2AC by ABC. That means BC cancel 1 by A plus 1 by C equal to 2 by B. So that is 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. What you say here? A comma B comma C are in HP. This is a very standard question. So and also important question. So 2 by B equal 1 by A plus 1 by C. That means A, B, C are in HP. We get 2B equal A plus C, that is AP. 2 by B equal 1 by A plus 1 by C. The reciprocals of AP. That gives HP only. Clear this one? Just simply solving. Keep on solving. We'll get answer. Check the answer. Option C is the answer. Next question. If A is 3 by 3 matrix, det of K into adjoint A equal 5, then det A equal what? So you have properties. Det of adjoint A is det A whole power n. This is one property. Det of adjoint A. So normal det of Ka is anything k power n into det A. These are two properties you can use here. So first here K is 5 here. So det of 5 into adjoint A equal 5 is given. So according to order what matrix? Third order matrix. This value equal to 5 cube into det of adjoint A into 5. So first I apply this property. So according to first property, I just hold as adjoint A some matrix. According to the second property, 5 cube into det of adjoint A. I hope clear this one. So now this value equal to det of adjoint A equal to 1 by 25, because one time cancel, will get 1 by 25. But again go to second property. Use second property here. So A is what type matrix? 3 by 3 matrix. Det of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1. Here det A whole power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, 2 equal to 1 by 25. Therefore det A equal to plus or minus 1 by 5. Apply root. So we will get 1 by plus or minus 1 by 5. According to first this property, so that is 5 cube into det of adjoint A equal to 5. So one time cancel means 5 square. Means that det of adjoint A equal to 1 by 25. Later you can apply this first property. Det of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1. So n is what? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Det A whole square is 1 by 25. Det A equal to plus or minus 1 by 5. I hope understand here. If you want, I will explain once again. The first 5 into adjoint A equal to 5. So det of Ka is what formula? K power n into det A. Yet n is 3. So it means here K is 5. 5 cube into det of adjoint A equal to 5. So det of adjoint A equal to 5 by 5 cube. Means det of adjoint A equal to 1 by 25. One time cancel. So det of adjoint A, what formula? Det A whole power n minus 1. Here n equal to 3. 3 minus 1, 2. That means det A whole power 3 minus 1 equal to 1 by 25. So det A whole square equal 1 by 25. So det A equal to plus or minus 1 by 5. That is solution. This is also very good question. So check the answer. B is the right answer. Next one. For a matrix A, which of the following is correct? So look in the question. All everywhere A cube is there. That means how to multiply what? A cube means first find A square, then find A cube and solve it. It's a very long process. This one I will give one short form. What is a matrix here? Solve one. This one gives long process. I will give one simple method to solve this one. But this is a one different method. So here you can take a equation a minus lambda I equal to 0. A lambda root of this equation a minus lambda I equal to 0. How to get a minus lambda I means multiply this by lambda. What is lambda I? Lambda I means 3 by 3 matrix you can take. Lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. If you subtract this with this, what will happen? 1 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0 comes. Same thing only comes here. This is 1 minus 0, 2 minus lambda, 1 minus 0, 1 comes here. 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, and 0 minus lambda, and solve the determinant of this one. So that means 1 minus lambda into minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 1. Now second term, 1 into 0 minus, here 1 into, so this is here 1, sorry. So 1 minus 0, 1 only, no? Oh, clear. So first one, here minus lambda, minus 2. The last term you have 0 only. So you can multiply, slowly you can multiply, minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 1 plus 2 lambda square minus lambda square plus lambda plus 2 equal to 0. If you simplify now, so minus lambda cube highest term. Now lambda square terms, lambda square 2 lambda square, that is 3 lambda square. Next minus 2 lambda plus lambda, that is cancel. So then now we get here 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 equal 0. So here lambda cube minus 3 lambda square minus 1 equal 0. So that means when I take this one, here lambda is one of the root. Lambda is root 2. So lambda is root means lambda equal to a. Here lambda equal to a. So it means a cube minus 3a square. This is a matrix equation. Instead of constant position, you can write I. Instead of constant position, you can write I. So that means the solution will be a cube minus 3a square minus I equal to 0. This is one shortcut method for solving the any type of equation. If it is 2 by 2 also, we can take a minus lambda equal to 0. You will get a polynomial expression matrices. So if you want to convert into polynomial equation, a cube minus 3a square, instead of constant, you can write I. So check the answer, a cube minus 3a square minus I equal 0. Which option is matching? So option B is matching. So check the answer, correct or wrong? B is right answer. So now you can keep in mind that one. Next question, 29. The given system of equations, they are given here RHS for each one is 0. And sum of the coefficients in each term, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a equal to 0. B minus c, c minus a minus b also 0. C minus a minus b, b minus c 0. That means sum of the coefficient 0 means only one choice, x equal to y equal to z equal to 0. That's the only solution for this one. So I hope you have this one. If determinant 0 also, you can take it. If you take determinant a minus b, b minus c minus a, so that also gives 0 answer. That means this is identity. Each one is identity. You call as identity. So that means the answer possibility one, x equal to y equal to z equal to 0 case only it is possible. So I hope you this one understand. This only one possibility solution, x equal to y equal to z equal to 0 only. This one standard question. So option A is correct. Next question. A and B are square matrix of same order. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Then what is the value of AB into A inverse whole square? The first thing, A plus B into A minus B is given as A square minus B square. You have to multiply normal. A square minus AB plus BA. Multiply properly. A square minus AB plus B. Order is important in matrices. B square equal to A square minus B square. A square cancel, B square cancel. So minus AB plus BA equal to 0. That means what we get here, AB equal to BA. So from the data, we got AB equal to BA. So substitute AB equal to B in the given question. What is given? AB, A inverse whole square is given. AB is what? BA into A inverse whole square. But you have property A into A inverse is identity matrix. Product of a matrix and inverse matrix I. So that is nothing but BI whole square. So BI is again what? B square only. Since so product of a matrix is identity matrix always given matrix only. So that means what is the answer here? B square is the answer. Clear this one? The first, multiply the first two terms, we get a relation between A and B. AB equal to BA. So this value is substituted in the required answer. And AB equal to BA. A into A inverse is I. BI is B. Then B square is the answer. Next question. Check the answer. P is the right answer. 31. A and B are symmetric matrices of same order. Symmetric means already explained this one. A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. Then which of the following is correct? You have to apply each one. Checking symmetry or not symmetric, you can take whole transpose. So you can apply reverse law. B transpose into A transpose. This is a property. So B transpose BA. AB whole transpose equal to BA. But you want what? AB. So not symmetric matrix. Now second one, A minus B whole transpose. A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose again A minus B. A minus B whole transpose is A minus B. That means A minus B is symmetric matrix. But what is given? Skew symmetric. This is wrong. This is wrong. Now go to option C. You can take the AB plus BA whole transpose. For every question, same model. This is also important model. AB whole transpose, BA whole transpose. So that is reverse law. B transpose, A transpose, A transpose, B transpose, B transpose, BA plus AB. So that is nothing but AB plus AB. What you call this is symmetric matrix. This is symmetric. So what is given? Symmetric. That is the only answer. So when you want to find the check the symmetry or not, you can take transpose for the given question. So to get the same answer, it is symmetric. To get the minus of means skew symmetric. Otherwise, neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. What option correct here? Option C is correct only. Check the answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question. So a matrix A is symmetric as well as skew symmetric, then A is a matrix which is symmetric and skew symmetric. Only possibility it is null matrix. What is symmetric? A transpose equal A. What is skew symmetric? Means A transpose equal to minus A. So this is valid only for A is what? Null matrix. If A is null matrix, so A transpose gives A transpose equal to minus, because 0 has no minus, no plus. That means only the null matrix gives both the conditions simultaneously. In that case, the answer will be null matrix. A matrix which is symmetric as well as skew symmetric, and A must be a null matrix. A is what? Null matrix. So answer B correct only. Clear now? So if you want, you can do another way also. So it is symmetric and skew symmetric means A equal to minus A. That means 2A equal to O. A equal to what? O. That also you can take. A transpose equal to A transpose equal to minus A. And right side equal, left side also you can equate. So to get the answer, A is null matrix only. Clear? So next question. The value of determinant they are asking. The value of determinant they are asking. So we can sin square x plus cos square x 1, cos square x plus sin square x 1, minus 10 plus 12, 2 is there. So sin square plus cos square is 1. I will apply one property C1 as C1 plus C2. What will happen? Sin square x plus cos square x 1, cos square x 1, again cos square plus sin square 1, sin square x 1, and these two added to minus 10 plus 12 is 2, 12, 2. So observe this one, this one, this one identical. The value what? 0. So once again, adding C1 as C1 plus C2. So the first is sin square plus cos square 1. Next, cos square plus sin square 1. Minus 10 plus 12, 2. The second row, second column, third column is same. See what I did? C1 as C1 plus C2. Cos square x, sin square x, 12, 1, 1, 2. So then what is the same? C1, C3 same. The value of determinant is 0 because C1 equal to C3. Clear this one? That is the logic. Because of property sin square plus cos square is 1. I apply property and solve the solution. So that is 33%. Check the answer. Option A is correct. Next, 34. X is a matrix X. In the equation Ax equal to B, and A and B are given. What is the value of X? We want X value required. So we have property X equal to what? A inverse into B. That is standard property which you know. So now you have to calculate inverse of matrix. How to find A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. So what is 1 by det A? 1 by 1 minus 0 into adjoint A is, so what I told, adjoint means these two reverse and write other things opposite signs. That means A inverse is 1 minus 3, 0 and 1. That is A inverse. So what is X value? X equal to A inverse into B. Means A inverse is what? 1 minus 3, 0, 1. And B value 1 minus 1, 0, 1. Clear this one? You have to multiply it to get the answer for this one. So I will do in the next page. So I will do next page. What is A? 1 3, 0, 1, and b is 1 minus 1, 0, 1. You got x equal to A inverse into B. The value of A inverse is 1 by delta A into adjoint A. We got here 1 by delta A means 1 by delta A. So that means you will get 1 into 1 minus 3, 1, 0, 1. You got this is A inverse. So that is 1 minus 3, 0, 1 into 1 minus 1, 0, 1. You multiply normally. So 1 here minus 1 minus 3 0 0 comes here minus 1 1. That means answer will be 1 minus 4 0 1. This is the only answer here. So the answer 1 minus 4 0 1. Check the option which option is matching with this one. So option B is matching. 1 minus 4 only, minus 4 comes in B option. Clear now? Next question. A square minus A plus I equal to O. And the inverse of matrix. If you want to find inverse of matrix directly, you can't get. So here the question is given A square minus A plus I equal to 0. So pre-multiply with A inverse on both the sides. So it is A inverse, right? A square as A into A minus A inverse into A plus A inverse I equal to 0. So we have property A inverse into A equal to I. So then here rearrange A inverse into A minus I plus A inverse into I is A inverse equal to 0. Now again A inverse into is IA minus I plus A inverse equal to null matrix. Again IA is what? A minus A plus A inverse equal to null matrix. We want A inverse. Take right side I minus A. A inverse is I minus A. Which option? Option B is right. So what I did? I multiplied both sides by A inverse on both the sides. So that means what comes here? A inverse into A square, right? A square is A. A inverse into A. A inverse into I. We have property A inverse into A is what? I. So now you can rearrange here A inverse A into A minus A inverse into A is I. A inverse I into I is A inverse. Again A inverse A is IA minus I A inverse equal to O. So now simplify to get the answer for this one. Understand this one? Answer is B. So next question. Here A equal to 1, 3, 3, 4. A square minus KA minus 5 equal to minus 5 equal to O. Then what is the value of K? I give one formula A equal to AB. This is time saving result. Then the equation is A square minus A plus D into A plus AD minus BC into I equal to G. This is our standard property. So now we want K value. K is the multiple of A. So multiple of A means A plus D. So here K equal to A plus D. So A plus D means sum of principal diagonal elements. So this is ABCD matrix. This is A plus D means corners. That is 1 plus 4. What is the answer here? 5. So 5 is the answer. K equal to 5 is the answer. I hope clear this one. If they are asking this unknown, that equal to what? AD minus BC. You can check AD minus BC. The value of determinant 4 minus 9 minus 5. You got minus 5. That's the only answer here. This is 5. This is minus 5. You got matching with that one. But you have to remember this condition. This is time saving. Otherwise, you can solve A square and 5i and equate to the what K and solve it. It's a long process. This shortcut method to solve the question. Check the answer. K is the value of 5. The next question. A plus B plus C is pi, then the value of sine of A plus B plus C, sine B cos C minus sine B 0, tan A cos of pi minus C minus tan A 0. So here A plus B plus C 180, this value pi. The value of determinant is sine pi, sine B, sine C, sorry cos C. Now minus sine B 0, tan A, cos of pi minus C is minus cos C. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. This is minus cos pi minus tan A. This is 0. So next step, sin pi is 0, sin B cos C minus sin B 0 tan A minus cos C minus tan A 0. So this is observe here this corner same but opposite sides. That means the entire inside is skew symmetric matrix of order 3. The skew symmetric matrix of odd order always what? 0. What a property here? Skew symmetric matrix. So determinant of skew symmetric, det of skew symmetric matrix of odd order always 0. So determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order always 0. Order is third order. Skew symmetric, how can I say skew symmetric? All the principal elements are elements 0 and upper part and lower part gives opposite symbols with opposite signs. That is called skew symmetric matrix. This is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric of odd order always what? 0. The answer will be 0 only. This is also very good question. A plus B plus C is pi. What is the value of the determinant? Because sin pi is 0, cos pi minus C is minus cos C minus tan A 0. So that means the elements of diagonal are 0 and upper triangle lower part will be opposite signs. Then the inside value is skew symmetric matrix of odd order always gives 0 only. Check the answer. Answer is C. Next, the points A1, B1, A2, B2, A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2 are collinear. Then the relation between A, B, C want here. You have one formula. The points are collinear. Area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle is a property x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. The points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. So the determinant equal to 0. Determinant is the first column is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Third column is 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. So if you apply this property here a1, a2, a1 plus a2, b1, b2, b1 plus b2, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. And simplify this one to get the answer. So here I will explain this question in the next page. The first a1, a2, a1 plus a2, b1, b2, b1 plus b2, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0 is given. So now what I will do means I will take R3 as R3 minus R1 minus R2. Why here A1 plus A2 is there? That's just convenient. First row remains same. Second row remains same. Third row what is R3 as R3 minus R1 minus R2. So that means 0. Here 0. 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 1. Now you can expand determinant along this one. So the value of determinant is A1 into minus B2 x0 only minus B1 into minus B1 into minus A2 minus 0. The last one is plus 1 equal 0. So once again, if you expand determinant, I will do once again here A1 into minus B2 minus 0. So next minus B1 into minus A2 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 comes here. So minus A1 B2 minus minus plus B1 A2 equal 0. That means A1 B2 equal to A2 B1 is a property. This is a function. So what is the answer here? A1 B2 equal to A2 B1 is the answer. Check the option, which option is matching. So option C is matching. Clear? The next question. So step x is represent the greatest integer less than or equal to x. You know step function. So step is nothing but if put any fraction value that become always integer. So the value of e is 2.73 approximately. Step value is rounded to integer 2. So now again pi value is 3.14. Pi value is 3.14 and pi square is 9.85 approximately. So now we can take the values of this one and pi square minus 6 is 3.85. So these are the values which comes here. So in this case the value of determinants, the first step of 2.73 is 2, step of 3.14 is 3, step of pi square minus 6 3.8 means 3. Now, second row 3, 3, 2. Third row 3, 2, 3. So find the value of determinant, that gives the answer for this one. So I hope understand here. So the value of this one will comes 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So solve this one. 2 into 9 minus 4 minus 3 into 9 minus 6 plus 3 into 6 minus 9. Simplify 2 into 5, 10. So minus 9 minus 9. That gives 10 minus 18. The answer will be minus 8. C option correct. I hope clear now. E is 2.712. Step is 2. Pi is 3.14. Step pi is 3. Step of pi square minus 6. That is also 3. So these values substitute in the what? Step of is 2. Step of pi is 3. Step of pi square minus 6 is 3. These values substitute here to get the answer for this one. So pi is 3.14. Pi square is 9.85. So pi square minus 6 is 3.85. If you apply step for that one, you will get integers and solve this one. So answer is C. Next question. If a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0, the value of determinant is given as k square, k into a square, b square, c square. So what is the value of k? So here a square plus b square plus c square is 0. Then b square plus c square is minus a square. C square plus a square is minus b square. A square plus b square is minus c square. So these values substitute in the determinants. So I'll solve the next page. So b square plus c square is minus a square, ab, ac. So ab minus b square, bc. So ac, bc minus c square equal to, you have to find. So from this, in the first row, what is common? A. Second row, b common. Third row, c common. A, b, c common. So that means minus a, b, c. Then here b common means a minus b, c. Here c common means a, b minus c. Again, the first column a common, second column b common, third column c common. We'll get a, b, c into a, b, c. The remaining portion is minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So that means ABC whole square into find the value of determinant. So here minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So ABC whole square. The first one 0 plus 2 plus 2. That means 4ABC whole square. So they are given as k into ABC whole square, means the k value 4 only answer. Okay now? Here first row ABC, first row A common, second row B common, third row C common. Next first column A common, second column B common, third column A, ABC whole square, and simplify the determinant to get the answer for this one. So answer is k equal to 4. Option D is right. So now the value of determinant. Directly can expand determinant, we get the answer here. So 1 into cos square x minus sin square x. Next 0, next 0. So cos square minus sin square, what formula? Cos 2x. This is the answer. You get directly to get the answer. Directly expand the determinant to get the answer for this one. Check the answer. Cos 2x is the answer. C is the right answer. Next. So the value of determinant. Here what we will do means 1, 1, 1, nc1, n plus c1, n plus 2 c1, nc2, n plus 1 c2, n plus 2 c2. You can take n equal to some value. I take n equal to. So that means there is 2c1, the value is 2. So next n plus 1 c1 means 3c1, that gives 3. So n plus 2 c1, that is 4c1, that is 4. So you got 2, 3, 4. Next, so nc2, 2c2, 2c2 is 1. Next 3c2 is 3. Next 4c2 is 4 into 3 by 2, that gives 6. So you got all the values. You can substitute in the determinant. First row 1, 1, 1. 2c1 is 2. 3c1 is 3. 4c1 is 4. Next 4c2 we got 6. Sorry, 2c2 1. 3C2 3 and 4C2 6. Find the value of it, that gives the answer for this one. So now 1 into 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 12 minus 4 plus 1 into 6 minus 3. Solve it. 6 minus 8 plus 3. So 9 minus 8, that answer gives 1. Hope you get this one. The answer become 1 only answer here. So check the answer. Option B is right. Clear this one? So I hope clear this one. Next question. If x comma y comma z are distinct real numbers, the given determinant is 0 is given. What is the value of x, y, z? So here the first column has sum of two elements. We can split as sum of two determinants. Sum of two determinants. So then you can simplify to get the. This is also one standard question. If plus 1 is there, answer is minus 1. If minus 1 is there, answer is what? Plus 1. That is the answer here. So I will explain this question, how to solve this one. So we will do in the next page, same question. So I will solve here, I will explain. This is given. Now split as two determinants, x cube, x square, x, y cube, y square, y, z square, z cube, z square, z, plus another determinant is 1 x square x, 1 y square y, 1 z square z equal 0. In the first row, here x common, here y common, here z common. So x, y, z common. So then left out what? X square x 1, y square y 1, z square z 1, plus 1 x square x, 1 y square y, 1 z square z. So these two are equal. If you interchange the rows and columns, both are identical. You can take common from this one. These two are same. So that means what is common? X square x1, y square y1, z square z1. This determinant common. What left? X, y, z plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore this is not equal to 0. Therefore x, y, z plus 1 equal to, sorry, x, y, z plus 1 equal to 0. X, y, z equal to minus 1. I hope understand everyone. So once again, here split in two determinants. The first determinant is x cube, y cube, z cube, x square, y square, z square, x, y, z. The second determinant is 1, 1, 1, x square, y square, z square, x, y, z. Here first determinant, first row x common, second row y common, third row z common. X, y, z into, we'll get this one. These two determinants are identical. Okay. So that means you can rearrange the terms, you will get the same thing. Both are equal only. So now that is common, x, y, z plus 1 equal to 0. The value of first determinant not equal to 0. So that means this value should be 0. So that means x, y, z equal to minus 1. This is one standard question. So it's very simple logic. You can remember this type of question. If plus 1 is there, the first column, the answer x, y, z is minus 1. This is minus 1 is there, answer is plus 1. I hope clear this one. Next question. This is one standard question. So option B is right. Next, this one, f of pi by 3. Substitute x equal pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. So because of everywhere when x is pi by 3, f of pi by 3 means x equal to pi by 3 can substitute. So x equal to pi by 3. So cos x will be cos pi by 3, that gives 1 by 2. So the value of determinant f of pi by 3 equal to 2 into 1 by 2, 1, 0. Next 1, 2 into 1 by 2, 1, 0, 1, 2 into 1 by 2. So this value equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, next 0, 1, 1. Find the value of determinant. This is simple question only. So let us simplify here. So 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 0, next 0. So that means minus 1 is the answer. Option C is the answer. Clear this one? So check the answer whether correct or wrong. So option C is the right answer. Next, if a plus b plus c is 0, then one of the root of the equation. So how to get a plus b plus c? You can add all rows or all columns to get a plus b plus c. So what I will do means I will add the rows or columns. If I take c1 as c1 plus c2 plus c3, the first column is a plus b plus c minus x. The first column will be what? A plus b plus c minus x. You can take out common. After common, I will take direct step a plus b plus c minus x common. So the left out part will be 1 c b, 1 b minus x, then a, 1 a c minus x equal to 0. I hope here this one. So I add c1 as c1 plus c2 plus c3. The first column will be a plus b plus c minus x. If you take common a plus b plus c common, the first column is 1. Second, third columns are remain same. So they are given a plus b plus c is what? 0. That means this product is 0. That means either this equal 0 or this equal 0. This is not 0. Therefore, a plus b plus c minus x equal 0. This is given x equal 0 is a solution for this equation. That means root of the equation is means x value. X value is 0 is the answer for this one. Clear this one? Because this is 0 or this is 0. This is not 0, therefore this must be equal to 0. But a plus b plus c is given as 0. So that means a plus b plus c minus x equal 0. But a plus b plus c they are given as 0. Therefore x equal to 0 is the answer. Clear? Now option A is right. Next question. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus omega square 1 omega square omega power 4. So in this question, you have to remember the properties of omega. So we have property first, omega is complex roots of infinity. 1 plus omega square plus omega equal to 0 and omega power 3 is 1. These are the values you have to remember. So from this 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So these values you can use for the question 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus omega square minus omega already is minus is there. This is plus omega and omega square 1 omega square omega power 4 omega cube is what 1. So the value of omega power 4 is omega cube into omega, that is omega. This value is omega, and find the value of determinant to get the answer for this one. This normal determinant you can calculate 1 into omega square minus omega power 4. Next minus 1 into omega minus omega square. Next plus 1 into omega square minus omega. Simplify this one. This is omega square. Omega power 4 is again omega. So now come to the next one. Omega square minus omega. Here minus omega plus omega square minus omega. How many omega squares are there? Omega square, omega square, omega square. That is 3 omega square. How many omegas are there? Minus omega, minus omega, minus omega, minus 3 omega. So 3 common omega square minus omega. So once again, so we have property 1 plus omega square is 0 and omega cube is 1. So 1 plus omega square is minus omega. This value can substitute here. Next, omega power 4 is omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1. 1 into omega is omega. So now expand normal determinant and simplify to get the answer. Clear now? So that is a solution for this one only. Check the answer. Option B is the answer. So next question, log e square log e cube log e square log e cube. So it's there. Now we can simplify. Now this value log a power n is n log a. This is a property and the value of log e is what? 1. So this we have to remember. Base is e. Log e base is 1. So now this value becomes log e is what? 1. 2 log e means 2. 3 log e means 3. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. You want to find the value of determinant here. So now you can solve the question. You can apply some properties also. You can get here. The difference will be what? One difference here, 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 one difference. You can apply C2 as C2 minus C1, C3 as C3 minus C2, The value of determinant is first column is same. C2 minus C1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So now C3 has C3 minus C2, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1. So two columns are identical, value of determinant 0. Or you can expand also, fine. And one more point you can remember, if all the elements are differ by 1, 1, 1, the value of determinant is what? 0, 1, you can take it here. So observe here, one difference, one difference, one difference, one difference. That means in this case, the value of determinant without solving, you can take it as 0 only. I hope clear this one. Log e is 1. This is 2 log e. 2 log e means log e value 1. 3 log e means 3. So keep on simplifying to get the answer 0 only. Got it? Next question. Check the answer. Answer A is correct. So next question, the value of determinant. I will solve this question in the next page. So log x, log y, log z, log 2x, log 2y, log 2z, log 3x, log 3y, log 3z. So we have property log AB is log A plus log B. The first row remains same, log x, log y, log z. So this is log 2 plus log x, log 2 plus log y, log 2 plus log z. So log 3 plus log x, log 3 plus log y, log 3 plus log z. So now you can apply property. You can apply property here. So what I will do means, so I will take R2 as R2 minus R1. So log x will get cancelled. Now R3 as again R3 minus R1. So what this value gives? The first log x, log y, log z. If you subtract these two, log x cancel. You get log 2, log 2, log 2. So here log 3, log 3, log 3. What is common from the second row? Log 2 common. Third row, log 3 common. What do you get here? 1, 1, 1 comes here. If I take log 2, log 3 common, so log x, log y, log z, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this value gives 0 because of third row and fourth row will be identical. So once again, first log 2x is log 2 plus log x. Log 2y is log 2 plus log y. So log 2z is log 2 plus log z. Same like the third row also. You can subtract R2 and R1, R3 and R1. So get this one. Here log 2 common, here log 3 common, become identical. Therefore, the value of determinant is 0 only. This is a very good question. So observe the problems. Any problem which are linked with log terms, always will get the answers 0 only. If option is 0 is given. Next 49. If A square matrix A square equal to I, then A inverse. A square means A into A equal to I. So we have property AB equal to I, then B equal to what? A inverse. Use this property. Then AA equal to I means here A square equal to A inverse equal to A only. So they're asking A inverse equal to A. Option C is correct. Understand here? So what a property? AB equal to I means B equal to what? A inverse. That means product of two matrices, identity matrix, one is inverse of other. Here product is what? I. Therefore A inverse equal to A. This is standard property. Next, the last question. So here A equal to 2, 2 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 1, 1, 0. A, B inverse, A inverse, whole inverse. We have property AB whole inverse is reverse law. B inverse, A inverse. Apply same property here. B inverse, A inverse, whole inverse is, so A inverse, whole inverse, B inverse, whole inverse. A inverse, whole inverse is A. B inverse, whole inverse is B. So you have to multiply A and B. 2, 2, minus 3, 2. And here 0, minus 1, 1, 0. If you multiply it here, so 0 plus 2, 2, minus 2 plus 0, 2, 0, 2, 3. So which option is matching? Once again, look at here. 0, 2. Minus 2 plus 2. This is minus 2, sorry. And 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0. That means 2 minus 2, 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 2, 3. Option A is correct only. Sometimes we are doing multiplication, small mistakes. Be careful when you are solving. I hope everyone understand this lecture. because this I'm taking a long time to explain the questions. But matrices also important, vectors 3D important, sequence series is important. Please don't neglect these topics. So thank you all. So enjoy the day.